Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you filed your Minnesota state taxes and now you're asking the big question, how long will it take to get my refund? The answer really depends on a few key factors, but we're going to break it all down for you right now. The single biggest factor that determines your refund speed is how you filed. If you e-filed your return, you are in the best position for a quick turnaround. The Minnesota Department of Revenue processes electronically filed returns much faster, and you can typically expect to see your refund within about 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes even sooner. On the other hand, if you printed out your forms and mailed in a paper return, you need to prepare for a much longer wait. Paper returns have to be manually opened, sorted, and entered into the system, which adds a lot of time. For paper filers, the wait can easily stretch to 6 or even 8 weeks, and potentially longer during peak season. The next big thing is your refund method. Just like e-filing, choosing direct deposit is the fastest way to get your cash. Once your refund is approved, the money is sent electronically right to your bank account, usually within a couple of business days. If you opted for a paper check to be mailed to you, you have to add extra time for the check to be printed and then for the U.S. Postal Service to deliver it, which can add another week or 2 to your total wait time. Now, let's talk about delays. What could hold up your refund even if you e-filed and chose direct deposit? The number one reason is errors on your return. A simple typo in your name, a wrong digit in your social security number, or a math mistake can flag your return for a manual review. When that happens, a real person at the Department of Revenue has to look at it, which can add weeks to the process. Another common reason for a delay is security and fraud prevention. Minnesota, like all states, has systems in place to fight identity theft. Sometimes, a return might be flagged for additional verification to make sure it was really you who filed it. This is a good thing for your protection, but it does mean a longer wait while they confirm your identity. So, what should you do? The best way to track your refund is to use the state's official Where's My Refund tool on the Minnesota Department of Revenue website. You'll need your social security number, your date of birth, and the exact amount of your expected refund to check your status. This tool is your most accurate source of information, and it will tell you if your return has been received, if it's being processed, or if your refund has been sent. Checking this tool is much better than calling, as the information is updated regularly. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward financial tips. We'd really appreciate your support. See you next time.